I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting your mic in both the operating system and resolve so levels sync. Once done, open the Edit or Fairlight page and add a new audio track, mono for single mics, stereo for two-channel sources. Make sure the track is armed for recording and position the playhead at the intended start point. You'll also want to set project sample rate to match your mic to avoid drift. This gets you recording ready immediately, not stuck in menus. Next, you configure the heavy lifting: sample rate, input gain, and monitoring. Go to Project Settings and set the Fairlight sample rate to match your mic, typically 48 kHz. Then in the mixer, raise or lower input gain so your peaks sit around -12 to -6 dB. Once done, enable input monitoring to hear live playback. Do a short test take and check the waveform and meters. If levels look good, you're ready to record longer takes without clipping or noise. Now you record. Use Fairlight's transport or the mixer record button and consider punch-in recording for segmented sessions. When you stop, save the take immediately in a named folder and add markers for good sections. Once done, normalize or apply light compression if needed. If you run into problems, check one key troubleshooting tip. Latency or dropouts usually point to buffer size, sample rate mismatches, or a faulty USB hub. Change buffer settings, confirm rates match, and try a direct connection to fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.